I think we should rock something that tempo. I see that's kind of like your tempo. Yeah. I rocked with Ace before. Like we've done shows. We've been on the same bill, but we never rocked together. We just gonna fuck it, man. Just gonna do something, huh? Just off the top. Yellow Funk. This is what we do. This amp, art, music, and poetry. But we go outside the bounds. Also, art, music, and poetry, improv. Got the comedians popping off. Let's get it cracking. You start with the beat.
You want a drum and bass thing?
Drum and bass, man. We take it to hip hop, to the future. This is hip hop. Future. Hip. Hop. 20, 20, 20, 20. Hip hop, hop. 2023. Hip hop, hop. 2023. Hip hop, hop. 2023. Future, future, realistic. I've been dying to do this with this cat since I fucking met him.